Good morning. Here is Kitchen Counter Talks, and let's see what I have got going on. Currently, I'm making some pectin right here. I'm going to test it and see if it's all pectinized. Here's some homemade sourdough, quick bagels that I've came up with my own recipe, which I love. Here is a gluten-free sourdough bread that is just got made. It's going to rise. Some apples, lots of dirty dishes. Broth. We always have broth brewing in here. Look at that. Woo! Always making chicken broth. Always great to sip on during the winters. And right here is some ends and pieces of breadcrumbs that I'm going to put in the KitchenAid processor there and make some breadcrumbs. I need to grind some coffee because I'm getting way too low. Not good. And I have some sourdough sitting on the counter and regular sourdough bread. So that's what I've got going on. I've kind of cleaned it up. Got a few things to do. And, oh, the dishes. Oh, okay. All right. See you guys later. What's on your kitchen? Let me know.